Just look into my eyes and answer a couple of questions before eating the next morsel. This was because cops were here for the first time because of you. And secondly, tell me the truth. Do you have anything to do with the Hira murder case?
Don't worry at all. Hira will keep mum.
Your silence is my answer, Siddhant. The path you have chosen for yourself is unknown and alien to me. So, after all that happened, it is up to you to decide whether you should stay in Prabhakar Sinha's house or not.
Mom, you didn't leave any option for me. You had already taken the decision when you didn't let Purva bring food for me. What do you think? I'm oblivious to this fact? That this is not the food cooked by my mother. Rather, Purva has brought this food from outside. Mom, it's clear as to what you want. But the truth is, even I don't want to live here against your wishes.
Stop, brother. Mom was angry then. Please, brother, please listen to me. Please listen to me, brother. How can you mind what she did? Please. Mom, he's actually leaving. Mom, please stop him. Brother, please stay back. She said that in a fit of rage then.
Mom is right on her part, Purva. I've chosen the wrong way for myself. You know, Purva, I've tread on it so far that I cannot return now. Even if it means leaving my home behind.
No, brother. Mom, please stop him.
Just take care of Mom.
What is wrong with you all? Why aren't you listening to me? It's just the three of us. After Dad passed away, please don't go.
Don't cry, Purva. I'll visit you often. It's just that I can't stay here.
Mom, please stop him. Mom, he's actually leaving, Mom. Mom!
Sorry, sir. I got late.
Where were you? You could have called up. The secretary got tired of trying to reach you.
Sorry, sir. Actually, I had to spend the night in a hotel. I didn't carry any supplies either.
Why did you stay in a hotel?
Forget it, sir. I don't want to mix my personal life with my professional life. Sir, actually, Karthik has sent the bank details from Singapore.
What are you saying? Personal and professional, what is all this?
It's between me and my mom.
Is Miss Gayatri alright?
She's upset. She kicked me out of the house.
KK knew that something was wrong. But I never thought that she would kick you out of the house.
Actually, sir, she watched Hira's news on television and then the police came home. So she got angry. She told me to leave the house, sir. But you don't worry, sir. I'll manage somehow.
No. You will stay in KK's house. You're like my family. And Anushka is getting engaged, so you can be helpful. Miss Gayatri will come too. KK will talk to her.
Thank you, sir.
Let me see it. What did Karthik send from Singapore? Does Srivastav have something in his account or not?
This is what I wanted, KK Reddy. Now I'll enter your house and destroy you.
I still can't believe that my brother is getting married to my sister-in-law. I never realized it. Anyway, tell me something. How did Vedant propose to you?
Actually, he didn't propose to me. We just had a conversation.
Didn't he say that he can't live without you, etc.? Nothing like that.
No, nothing of that sort happened.
You two are so unromantic. You are getting engaged tomorrow, but Vedant has not proposed to you as yet. Apart from the family, the boy and the girl should have something personal. Yeah, it will eventually happen. I think he's stalling the proposal because of the ring, you know. When he gets it, he's going to propose to you.
Good afternoon, ladies.
Hi, Siddhant. What are you doing here, Siddhant?
I'm here for some important work.
Siddhant? Are you alright?
I brought this ring for you. Engagement ring. What are you looking at? Put your hand forward. How is it?
तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू